Hello and welcome to our screencast of Group 29, presented by Tanzir, myself, Adel Hussein, Yasin, and Kevin Lau. Kevin Liu. Kevin?
So our tournament bracket is called Tournament Fix, and take charge and get your fix. So this picture is our landing page for our site. So Tournament Fix is an open source tournament bracket and user management system. Users will be able to create accounts on our website and use it to create tournament brackets. To generate a simple tournament, you simply have to enter your player names and then the tournament type, which we only have one of right now, which is a single elimination, and the size, which we only have one, which is a 8-person tournament. So the team will consist of Lanzir, who is the project manager, Adil, who is the developer and designer, Nitin, who is the developer and tester, and Kevin, myself, who is a developer and designer. So the basic wireframes would consist of a registration page, which will allow you to fill out the boxes with an email, username, and a password. A login page where you will use your email and then your password to log in. A general tournament page would have a tournament name, tournament type, which we will only have one of right now, which is single elimination. Bracket size, which is only one right now, which is 8, and the participants or team members that are participating in the tournament. We don't really have this page implemented yet, but this is one of the planned features.
Adel will talk about the planning.
All right. So initially, we decided on using jQuery to do all our bracket management and generation for our site. The pros for taking jQuery as an option was because it was pretty flexible, and we found quite a few examples that we thought we could implement, and we thought it was pretty interesting. So yeah, and well, it didn't matter which type of tournament we were implementing because, as I said, it was pretty flexible. So uh, we could implement it, and we could have order even number of participants in it as well. The result was that we ran into issues with jQuery as we haven't, none of us really had any background in jQuery beforehand, and we were pretty much experimenting with it throughout the project period. We had issues with missing libraries and modules, and we, as I said before, we didn't have proper knowledge to implement jQuery, and as a result, we wasted the first 2 weeks of the project.
So after that, we tried implementing some APIs from already existing bracket generations, like Binary Beast and MIT brackets, which you could install using npm. Using the API would be able to make the UI and create a separate database for saving all the stuff. However, we had the same issue with the previous example. We didn't know how to properly implement APIs into Node, so we ended up not being able to implement it. And then we went into making tournament brackets exclusively on Node and Express using Mongo. Now Nathan is going to demo our web app.
So this is the Tournament Fix homepage. Now we're going to click on login. Here comes the login page. After logging in, it redirects to the brackets list tournament page, and clicking enter, it opens up the 8-player bracket tournament. We enter the players now. clicking the submit button. This is the tournament page. So from the first pair of players, we select one, and it comes to the second round. And from the second pair, similarly, 3 and 4. And these are the 4 players in the second round. And from selecting 2 players, it goes to the third round, and the one is the winner in the end. So this is the tournament bracket, and that's it.
Okay, so that's the live demo of our web app. So some future functionalities we plan to have is add 16 players and add double elimination, add a saving feature so you can save your brackets and then view them in your user profiles, and as well as viewing completed tournaments. So some of the lessons learned by doing this project is we should have stuck to what we've known, which is Node and Express and Mongo. And we should have started on building the bracket generator on Express initially without trying to experiment on stuff that we didn't fully understand or know. Okay, that's our presentation. Thank you very much.